Okay, got the furnace here, and it is not staying lit. Hear the motor running. Alright, got some glow. Heating elements working. Okay. Should go off here in a couple seconds. Okay. FYI, the reason it goes off is there's a flame sensor that is not working correctly. There's a really easy fix to this. Hang on and I'll show you. Okay, part 2 of my video fixing the furnace. As you can see, I am unscrewing this object out of this here beast, and it's going to drop out here in a second. Okay, this here is your flame sensor. Now if you take a look close, you see all that green crap or kind of that crusties on there? Well, that's got to come off this rod. Well, there's a real easy way of doing this. You take a $1 bill and you run it, or a 20, any bill that you have in your wallet, and you run it up and down this thing and clean that rod off, stick it back in, and it should work. Hang on, I'll show you here in a second. Okay, we're back. I got my 20 out of my wallet. For all you people that didn't think I have enough to buy, well, here's proof. Okay, I don't know how I'm going to do this. I'm going to set this down. No, okay, so, alright, so I'm going to wrap it around. Give her a good clean. Well, it's getting better. I think I can do better though. I hope I don't ruin this thing. Still going to spend the same, I guess. Sometimes you can't fix these things. Sometimes you actually have to go out and buy a new one. Well, I'm going to try and save this 20 for something else. So, okay. You can see here, that doesn't look too bad. Looks a little better. This one might be at the end days. Okay. Okay, we're back again. We're just screwing this thing back in. Hopefully get it good. Alright. Give it a nice torque. Let's give it a try. Well, I'll pause it here until it starts to come back on. Okay, she is running again. Let's see if she starts getting hot over there by the igniter. There she goes. Now, see if this thing worked. Oh, didn't get blown up, that's good. Okay. Looks like it did the trick. Okay, you ever have a furnace that's not staying on? Real quick fix for you. Good luck.